7 places you're forgetting to clean. When you look under a bed or sofa, there are usually a few dust bunnies rolling around that can be quickly captured with a vacuum or dust mop. But did you take the time to look at the actual bottom of the furniture piece? You may be shocked at what you find clinging to bed frames, chair seats and table braces. Dust and grime can cling to vertical surfaces as well as horizontal ones. Open the curtains or blinds and turn on all the lights and you'll be amazed at how furry your walls may be. If you happen to have textured wallpaper, even more dust is lurking. When you're cleaning, take time to look up. You may see more dirt than you'll like. We tend to ignore what's beyond our plane of sight. Routinely clean the top of door frames, kitchen and tall storage cabinets, picture frames and ceiling corners. If your home has central heating or air, there is ductwork that connects the system to the living spaces of your home. The treated hot or cold air exits through vents and then returns to the air handling system. It's easy to see when a closet needs to be cleaned out. The clothes are crammed together, the shelves are piled high and things fall on you when you open the door. If all of your cleaning tools are dirty, then each time you use them you may just be spreading the dirt around. When was the last time you took a good long look at your vacuum, mop or scrubbing brushes? Whether your indoor plants are real or silk, they can accumulate an amazing amount of dust. Most live plants will benefit from a quick trip under the shower head. If they are too large to move, use a microfiber cloth or disposable duster to wipe down each leaf. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.